Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is February 7th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, high of 74, low of 62, cloudy with a 45% chance of rain. Today for breakfast, French toast, sausage, juice and fruit. For lunch, ham and cheese sandwich, sweet potato, fries, carrots, juice. February 7th birthdays, Jonathan Brandow and Jordan Davis. Happy birthday, guys. Announcements. We have lots of announcements today, so everybody be listening up. Vision screenings. Those will be today for kindergarten, second, and fourth grades. Please adhere to the directions that were sent out by Nurse Eaton. Tutoring will begin on Tuesday, February 7th. That is today. PM tutoring. Please do not release students to their tutoring teacher until they are finished with dismissal. Bulletin boards. Make sure all bulletin boards have been updated for Black History Month. Dr. Seuss. We will be celebrating Dr. Seuss the week of February 27th through March 3rd. A flyer will be sent home with details about theme days. On March 2nd, we will have guest readers coming to read to our students. Snack money. Please make sure that snack bags and money are sent up by 9:30 each morning. If students are late, they are not allowed to purchase snack. Please be timely in this. Uniforms. Many of our students are wearing non-uniform outerwear each day. Please make sure that they take off outerwear that is not in compliance with our uniform policy. If you need additional uniform policies to highlight and send home with your students, they are in the front office tray near Ms. Paz's area. Gum. We have seen an increased number of students chewing gum lately. Please do not allow students to chew gum anywhere in the building. Classroom school environment. Take a look around your room space. If it looks unorganized, unclean, or cluttered, let's work to get that corrected. If assistance is needed from our custodial staff, please let them know your specific needs. Late duty today is Ms. Zimlick, tomorrow Shaver, Weaver, and then Tarver. February attendance incentive is still going strong. Teachers, check your charts outside your door. Make sure those are up to date so we can see who is in the lead. February attendance incentive. We are working on that ice cream sundae party for the class who has the least number of tardies, early dismissals, and absences. Important dates. February 6th through 17th is the Kids Heart Challenge. February 7th, tutoring begins and vision research on campus. February 8th, we have our ACAP practice shutdown for 2nd through 3rd. It's going to be 8:30 to 9:30. 4th and 5th is going to be 10:15 to 11:15. February 10th, PACE 4th and 5th grade field trip. February 13th, we have faculty meeting. February 16th, Michael Green's science machine will be on campus to do 2 presentations. February 17th, 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. And March 7th, spring pictures. Also, please be aware that Ms. Farrell is testing this week in the computer lab. So please, as you are traveling by the computer lab, please try to do so quietly. These AR superstars have met their quarterly goal. In Miss Arch's class, Safari Timmons. In Bertolino, Alasia Dean, Braylon Jones, and Johnny Ramos. In Miss Kurt's class, Emily Teacup. In Hatcher, Bryson Daffin, Avon Murphy. In Miss Langford's class, Donesty Matthews. In Moeller, Callie Davidson. In Shaver, Kyler Ejobi. In Brianna Newell. In Shepherd's class, Jordan Schoenbaum. And in Tompkins' class, Aaliyah Frank. We also have in Miss Waller's class 100% of her students. Jeffrey Atkinson, Zeray Arujo, Mason Beard, Kaylee Bogarty, Daryl Brown, Reagan Chancellor, Carter Craig, Aaliyah Crenshaw, TJ Dunaway, Ethan Foster, Layla Kyles, Aaron Mitchell, Jacob Moore, Keontae Smith, Javier Sneed, and Samaya West. Way to go! Lots of folks meeting their AR goals. Good job. We have a question of the day. Reagan wondered how many years do you have to go to school to be a doctor, and Cohen wanted to research that and find the answer. He found that altogether you may spend more than 15 years training to be a doctor. Assuming you start out on your career path the summer after high school, you will spend 4 years in medical school and up to 7 years in residency. Whew, a long time to be a doctor. So Study hard. Also, if you have questions, please send them to our question box. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Tuesday, Shepherd Scholars.